na to, ngayong bagong generation na to, ang dami pa rin niyang gustong mangyari at ang dami niyang alam. Kaya natutuwa ako. She's very knowledgeable. Napakatalino nung taon na to. Kaya sabi ko, sayang pag hindi naibigay yung idea niya to sa atin. Diba? So, syempre, ang makakatuwang natin sa ating team, Create Greater Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Hello? Kaway-kaway naman po dyan. Ready na ba tayong makinig? Of course, ang mangunguna sa atin, of course, with humility. Okay, it's an honor and privilege na ipakilala. And naniniwala ako na pag nakipagtulungan tayo sa taon na to, malayo ang mararating ng bawat isa sa atin. Okay? So ready na ba ang ating Team Zoom? Ready na ba yung mga nandito sa Team Head Office? Ayan, pwede na, tumayo naman tayo para ganahan, syempre, di ba? Di ba? Ay, isigaw nyo nga, Miss ano yung sinisigaw? Ayan, syempre ako, sa totoo lang, kumbaga, naniniwala pa rin ako na pag tinulungan tayo ng tao na to, sabihin ko na, kung itong tao na to talagang nire-respeto ko, sa totoo lang, nire-respeto ko, ang dami niyang gustong gawin sa DXN Philippines, hindi niya magagawa to kung hindi natin siya tutulungan. Tama ba? And ipakita natin ngayon na andito tayo, at ipapakita niya na andyan lang siya sa harapan natin, sa unahan natin, pero andito rin tayo sa likuran niya na susuporta sa taon na to. So, she will going to spearhead our team, Create Greater, none other than our very own, the stellar Miss Mercy Kiding.
Thank you. Good morning. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Wow, I'm so humbled. Please, you can be seated na po. Maraming salamat. I'm so humbled by the introduction ni Sir Roy. Kaya, good morning, everyone. Morning. So, matagal na panahon na wala ako dito sa stage na to. Pero last time, I was here because of my love for coffee. Right? So, sino po yung naka-attend nun? Ayan, halos lahat pala, no? So ngayon naman, bakit ako nandito? It's because of my love for DXN as a whole. So kanina, narinig niyo si Kuya Erap, ginawa niya ang DXN dahil sa love niya. So kami rin, bilang pamilya, naalala ko noon, high school pa lang ako, nagdi-DXN na po ang parents ko. At talaga minahal namin ang DXN, hindi lang yung produkto, pero lalo na yung mga taong nakasama po namin. Yan, katulad nila Kuya Erap at marami pang iba. Kaya palakpakan po natin ulit ang ating mga pioneers. Yan, si Sir Roy, kasama rin namin, matagal na panahon na rin. So, eto ngayon, times have changed na kasi. At maraming nakakaalam niyan. Sino po sa inyo yung mga may anak na? Yan, so marami na, halos lahat ano. So, sino yung mga may anak na 18 years old and above? Ayan. Sila po ba ay member na ng DXN? Yes. Pero, usually po, aminin natin, kaya po ba nila ang sales? Hindi masyado. Yan. So, may reason po bakit. Yan. Kasi iba na po ang pananaw ng next gen. And for the benefit of our international guest, our upline, Mr. Budiman Salim, I will be presenting this presentation in English. So, okay naman po sa lahat? Yes. Okay. So, times have changed and we know na mas marami ang panahon ng kabataan sa social media, right? Right. So, ang problem sa ngayon, ang attention span din ng mga next generation is particularly lower. Pinakamaikli compared sa ating mga older generations. So alam nyo ba na ang attention span ng next gen ay nasa 8 seconds to 12 seconds lang? So if you don't get their attention within those 12 seconds, hindi na nila kayo maiintindihan. So with this, I would like to present to you in 10 to 15 minutes ang short presentation about marketing for the next generation, unlocking digital potential. why we should encourage our next gen to do social media marketing, and ano yung gagawin natin para maging interesado sila. So, gusto niyo na ba marinig? Yes. Okay. Sorry, I need to. Ayan. Okay. So, I'm gonna be presenting some statistics worldwide. So, ito po, social media users worldwide. Do you have any idea how many? Gusto niyo malaman? 4.95 million ba? No, it's billion. 4.95 billion people use internet, social media worldwide. Yan. 61% of total population. So, dito pala makikita nyo na yung potential. Marami tayong magagawa online. Right? Ang kailangan lang is our next gen to be interested. Tama ba? Yes. Okay. So, average hours online per day. Can you guess? 24 minutes nakalagay dyan. Pero worldwide, it is 2 hours and 24 minutes. Average po ito. Average. Alamin naman natin yung sa Pilipinas. How many hours? 24 minutes din. Pero, 9 hours. Mas marami pa yung time sa social media kaysa sa pagtulog. Totoo ba? Sino yung nakaka-experience niyan? Aminin natin, minsan kahit tayo mismo, 2:00 na madaling araw, meron pa tayong ini-scroll sa Facebook, di ba? Facebook, Instagram, and others. So, we are very familiar with this. Alam na alam natin to. So, ano kayang gagawin natin para yung DXN business natin ay mai-translate natin dito sa social media marketing? So, I will continue. The next slide. Yan. This is in the Philippines only. 85.16 million users and growing. Yan. So, usually ngayon, kahit mga bata, di ba? 12 years old, meron na silang cellphone. May cellphone, may internet, social media, merong Facebook page, di ba? May profile. Yan. And yun po, ang pinakamarami is Facebook. Facebook talaga, karamihan ng mga internet users sa Philippines. They use Facebook, they use TikTok, they use Instagram. Sino po yung may TikTok account? Bihira. Facebook. Yan, halos lahat Kasi mainly used for connecting with friends, family. Yan. Bukod doon, minsan nag-share tayo ng mga videos, posts, pictures. Madalas po, pictures. Yan. So, yan. So, age group using social media. This is according to statistics. Yan. So, with these 4 groups, 18 to 24 years old, lahat sila iba-iba, iba-ibang age group, but meron silang common denominator. Which is that? What is that? Yung finding content, like videos and pictures, talaga sinusearch nila kung ano yung interesado sila. And looking for something to buy. Yan. So, possible ba sa palagay nyo na ang DXN business natin ay mag-translate for this? Yes. And nakikita natin, sino sa kanila yung pinakamaraming percent na looking for something to buy? Kita nyo ba? Which one has the biggest percent? Yan, 25 to 34 years old. Usually, sila yung may capacity to buy. Yes, meron pong trabaho, they earn their living, they have their own funds. Yan. So ano lang kailangan po natin? We need them to see our products. Kailangan alam nila kung anong meron ng DXN. And alam na alam po natin kung ano ang meron sa DXN. Yan. So, usually po, nakafocus tayo sa selling ng kape. But, there are still some potentials for growth in other markets. For example, we will see in our next slide, ano yung mga trending topics. Please. Ayaw eh. Ayan. Paki-click po yung screen para ano, yan. Yan. Okay, so with this, according to research, ang mga trending topics falls under 3 categories. One is lifestyle, second is wellness, and third is income. So ibig sabihin, nagsusearch ang tao about lifestyle, about wellness, and about income. So, ano sa palagay nyo ang masasabi natin sa statistics na ito? Pang DXN. So, palakpakan natin ang DXN, di ba? Yan. So, siguro, tanong nyo, paano ko mako-convince yung anak ko or yung next gen na, maging interested din sa DXN? Kasi usually, nakikita nila yung parents na ang ginagawa is sales and marketing. So, what could be the probable way para sila mismo ay maging interesado? So, we have created something. Why we have Create Greater for 2024. We are encouraging our next gen to do the XN with us. Do you agree? Yan. So, kailangan lang nilang maging interesado. So, paano? Paano natin gagawin sa 2024 ang Create Greater? How? Una, we will be having some nutritionists who will train about the products. They are registered nutritionists, so hindi tayo magkakaproblema sa FDA or overclaiming kasi they will be doing their part in researching. And they will be training our next gen about our products and how it can be used to have a balanced diet every day. Yan. So isa sa pinaka hinahanap ngayon ng mga tao ay, can you guess? Lalo na January 1, matapos yung mga holiday. Yan! Tama. They are looking for ways to lose weight. Yan. How to have smaller waist. And that is why we have teamed up with nutritionists and fitness coaches who will be training our next gen on how they can use personal use nila ng DXN product, which is in connection with the 3,000 PV. So, what we will do is we will make product mixes na 3,000 PV ang total, and then we will present, the nutritionist will present to the next gen, whoever is interested na gumawa nung weight loss challenge. Yan. So, ang tawag natin dito is Lifestyle and Wellness Challenge. Yan. So, interesado na ba kayo na maki-join sa Lifestyle and Wellness Challenge? So, if you can notice, I included lifestyle, not only the wellness challenge. So, why? What is in DXN that includes also lifestyle? Can you remember po? We already have our DXN lifestyle packages where we can earn just by traveling to Malaysia. Di ba? Familiar na po ba lahat doon? O hindi pa? Yan. So, we will be conducting trainings regarding that. And, alam nyo, nakikita naman kasi ng mga next gen natin kung paano kayo kumikita sa DXN. Yun nga lang talaga, admit natin, hindi talaga sila hindi, iba na talaga ang mga next gen. They are into social media. They will be interested if you give them the chance na maging part of this. So, we will be conducting trainings, workshops, and there will be a support group para kung meron silang mga questions and And anything else that they would like to know? Ang maganda po nun, hindi lang ito para sa mga next gen. Yan. Kasama rin po tayo, syempre. So nakita nyo kanina yung mga age groups natin. We will have things na for them, for you, kung ano yung age group mo, ano yung kailangan mo. Halimbawa, kung if you have health problems, the nutritionist can help make a product mix para matulungan po yung mga aging na generation. Yan. So kung ano man ang kailangan, yun ang gagawin natin. And we will incorporate the XN products for that. Yan. Gusto niyo ba? Yan. O sige. So, medyo parang kulang ang energy. Pero naiintindihan ko yun. Pero itong next natin na sasabihin, yan. Eto ngayon, yung create greater. Gusto niyo ba maka-travel sa Malaysia? Do you like? Yan. So ito, usually pag DXN, talagang binibigay nila sa travel incentives, di ba? So nakita natin, nagta-travel incentive ang DXN, and talaga yung mga uplines natin, talagang sinisikap nila na gawin yun. What if we encourage our next gen, kahit new members, to join this challenge para makita nila ang DXN sa Malaysia? Gusto nyo? Yan. So you will get a chance to win a trip for two to Malaysia with this DXN Lifestyle and Wellness Challenge. So sinong gusto sumali? Ayan. So alam niyo ba bakit iilan lang po kayo na nandito ngayon? Kasi kayo po yung pinili ng inyong mga upline na isama today. Kasi ito po ay exclusive sa mga nandito ngayon. Tsaka sa mga nasa Zoom. Yan. Love you too. So, anong gagawin? Anong gagawin? So, abangan natin ito. Kasi starting today, we will be announcing the next training, the start, the launch of the DXN Lifestyle and Wellness Challenge, along with our other leaders from Visayas and Mindanao na sumusuporta din po dito sa ating gagawin. And we will announce to all of you na nandito ngayon kung kailan yung launching of this DXN and Wellness Challenge, DXN Lifestyle and Wellness Challenge. All you need to do, pagpunta nyo po dun sa launch na yon, you need to bring at least 3 na next gen. Okay ba? So, wag po kayong mag-alala kasi yung event na yon, iba. Iba dito sa ginagawa nating training. This is different. Different sa nakagawian natin kasi alam natin na sanay na tayo sa training na para tayong nasa classroom. Yeah. So we will cater to the needs of the next generation. We will have lights, we will have sound, we will have a big party na para sa kanila. So are you in? Yes. So remember, you need to bring at least 3. At least 3. Wow! Very good. Sino pa? Sino mga kadala? Woo! Yes. Okay. So, doon sa, we will announce the date soon, pero doon namin i-announce lahat ng mechanics, all that they need to do, and wag kayong mag-alala dahil we have already studied this. We know what they want. So we will do it according to their needs, and this is exclusive. Kaya, palakpakan po natin mga nito ngayon. Kahit short notice siguro, yung iba, hindi nila, kahapon lang po ito Kahapon lang namin nabuo yung training for today. So, yan. So, are you in? So we will create greater for 2024 for our next gen. Thank you very much. Salamat po.
O yan binitin muna tayo. Yes. May question. May